When you start to do the things that you truly love, it wouldn't matter whether it's Monday or Friday. You would be so excited to wake up each morning to work on your passions. I trust my ability to make the best decisions regarding my belongings, purchases, and commitments. I am organized and efficient. I know where I am going and how to get there. I accept my progress as proceeding in my higher power's time. I choose to show gratitude for the memories each object represents and then to release them to welcome a new chapter in my life. I live in a clutter-free environment physically, emotionally, mentally, and spiritually. When I clean, I start with small steps and then move on to bigger steps. Any obstacles in my way motivate me to learn and grow. I finish what I put my mind to and set aside and let go of whatever does not survive me. Not everything is easy, but I will push through and persevere because my goals and dreams are worth it. I am in charge of how I feel, and today I am choosing happiness. I release any and all resistance to money, and I now allow it to flow joyously into my life. I am the architect of my life. I am building its foundation by choosing its contents. My potential to succeed is infinite, and my ability to conquer my challenges is limitless. My efforts are being supported by the universe. My dreams manifest into reality before my eyes. I am becoming a better version of myself every day. All of my problems can be solved. My past has no power over me. I will not allow negative thinking to penetrate my thoughts, dictate my decision making, or intimidate my hope for the future. I am intentional about the energy I put out and the energy I allow around me. I am connected with this earth, with all living beings, minerals, and plants. I love myself deeply and fully. I am becoming a more organized person every day.